I am Dr. Vidya Shankar. I am the lead consultant nephrologist and transplant physician in the Aster CMA Hospital, Bangalore. In general, what we say is the early signs are when they get a swelling of the legs, or when they see red color urine, or when they get decreased in the appetite or tiredness when they do a normal activity, or hypertension, the blood pressure. So these are the common symptoms of the kidney disease. The most common cause of kidney problem in India is diabetes, which is the number one killer. So diabetes, as the diabetes prevalence is increasing in our population, the kidney problem also increasing. So if we consider in 100 patients with kidney problem, almost 60 to 70% of the patients have diabetes. And then comes high blood pressure and so on. The kidney problem can present in all the ages. It can happen in younger population or elder population. Since our elder population, the medical facility is increasing, there is a more healthcare system is advancing, so the survival is better. So we are seeing more elder population kidney issues, but certainly there are certain conditions which can affect the younger population also. The most important thing in safety of the kidney is first is to getting tested. That is most important. One is we have to get periodically kidney function test done. Then because the symptoms happen in a very late stage. Then if they are diabetic, then good diabetic control. If they are having hypertension, good BP control. And then avoiding painkillers, avoiding certain food additive with supplements which can increase the protein load on the kidney. And certain adulterants, like for example people who consume a lot of preserved food or something like canned food which contain a lot of salt, which potential to cause kidney problem, they have to be avoided. See, exercises as such are there which can be done in a moderate degree. They can definitely keep your overall health well. Like they can have good diabetic control, then they can have a good lifestyle can be achieved with that. But anything like which are particularly directed to kidney is not there, and there are no juices or anything like herbal medicine or any food supplement which can increase the kidney function is not correct. If they consume a normal, naturally available substance food, that itself will be very good for a kidney. Now we are seeing a lot of young people who are getting into kidney problem because of their excess activity, like excess gym activity, the muscle building exercises, and certain protein supplements which have been directed to them to increase the muscle power. So those are certainly going to be dangerous because they are going to increase the protein load on the kidney, and they are going to give a lot of supplements which can help in muscle building, and what all things which it contains nobody knows. So those things have to be avoided. Smoking of certain time, when they develop diabetes, then diabetes and smoking is a very bad combination. So if they develop any diabetic related kidney problem, if they are smoking, it will be 10 times faster. The progression, rapidly the kidney functions goes down. So smoking is a very bad thing for a kidney, and they'll be good as long as they don't develop the kidney problem. Smoking can rarely directly affect the kidney, but if they develop diabetes, if they develop hypertension which is uncontrolled, then the smoking is going to be like adding like a catalyst